Hey everyone, and welcome back to another PA automation tutorial. In this video, we're going to run through the Create a Shared Mailbox automation in ConnectWise for a cloud hybrid environment. So as you can see, PA is actually reading the ticket details and has now provided us the initial prompt for the Create a Shared Mailbox automation. We hit that prompt, PA then goes through and collects a bunch of information like domains for this mailbox. We then get produced a form. We'll then enter our display name, and then secondary, we will enter the email address without the @ and then we can see that our email suffix is already selected. We do have a list of users that we can give full access, send as access, and send on behalf access from this mailbox. So let's go through and assign the relevant access. We hit submit, and that's all you'll need to do. Now, this may take about 10 or 20 seconds or so to actually create the mailbox and assign the relative access levels for each mailbox or user. Once this is completed, you'll have a brand new mailbox. So look, this may take, it could potentially take 20 or 30 seconds, so it might be the perfect time to go ahead onto another ticket and start executing another automation, but for the sake of the video, we should be done in a second. There we go, just like that. So there you go. You've completed a creation of a shared mailbox in Exchange. Potentially you can do this on-prem as well. However, for this video, we just run through Exchange Online. If you want to learn more about PIA, our automations, or our platform, feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. And apart from that, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.